Koffee, lifestyle, music career, and net worth. Early life and background. Koffee, born Mikayla Victoria Simpson on February 16, 2000, in Spanish Town, Jamaica, is a rising star in the reggae and dancehall music scene. Raised by her single mother, Joanne Williams, a Ministry of Health employee, Koffee grew up in a modest household with strong values centered around education, spirituality, and music. Her musical journey began in the church choir, where she developed her vocal skills and was inspired by gospel and reggae music. She picked up the guitar at age 12 after being gifted one by a friend, and this sparked her songwriting and musical creativity. Influenced by reggae legends like Protoje, Chronixx, and Bob Marley, she started crafting her unique sound, blending reggae, dancehall, and rap elements with socially conscious lyrics. Music career. Koffee's career took off in 2017 when she uploaded her breakout song, Legend, on Instagram, a tribute to Jamaican sprinting icon Usain Bolt. The song went viral, attracting the attention of established artists and industry professionals. In 2018, she released Toast, a global hit that catapulted her into mainstream success. The song, with its uplifting message and catchy rhythm, received international airplay and millions of views on YouTube, establishing her as a positive voice in modern reggae. Koffee continued to rise with the release of her debut EP Rapture in 2019, which earned her a Grammy Award for Best Reggae Album, making her the youngest and first female artist to win in this category. The EP featured standout tracks like Rapture and Throne. She followed up with singles like Lockdown and West Indies in 2020 and 2021, expanding her musical range and global appeal. Koffee's music often emphasizes themes of positivity, empowerment, and cultural pride, setting her apart in the industry. In 2022, she released her debut full-length album, Gifted, which further showcased her versatility with influences from reggae, pop, and Afrobeats. Lifestyle. Koffee leads a relatively low-profile and humble lifestyle despite her rising fame. She maintains a positive public image, focusing on her music and personal growth rather than extravagant displays of wealth. As a proud Jamaican, she often celebrates her cultural heritage in her music and fashion. Koffee's personal style blends modern streetwear with Rastafarian influences, emphasizing comfort and authenticity. She is known for her strong connection to family and community, often speaking about the importance of staying grounded. Her spirituality also plays a central role in her life, with her lyrics often reflecting messages of faith and positivity. Koffee avoids controversy and remains focused on being a role model, especially for young women in the music industry. Her dedication to spreading messages of hope and social change has made her a respected figure in reggae's new generation. Net worth. As of 2024, Koffee's estimated net worth is around $3 million. Her wealth primarily comes from music sales, international tours, brand endorsements, and collaborations with global brands. She has partnered with major companies like Nike and H&M, expanding her influence beyond music. Her continued success with streaming platforms like Spotify and Apple Music also contributes to her growing financial success. Legacy and influence. Koffee has redefined modern reggae with her fresh sound and positive messages. As a young, female artist breaking barriers in a male-dominated genre, she has inspired countless emerging musicians. Her Grammy win and global success have solidified her as a powerful voice for the new wave of conscious reggae artists. With her commitment to positivity and cultural upliftment, Koffee's influence will likely continue to grow, making her a lasting icon in both Jamaican music and global reggae culture.